spoken to you on the 308 project. As you've seen from the previous videos, Graham and the boys in the body shop have been doing a fantastic job. They've worked their way through the metal work, replaced all the door skins. We've now reached crunch time, it's ready to paint the car. So this brings us on to the paint colour conversation. We had this conversation with a lot of our owners. Do you go original or do you go your own desirable colour? Now this particular car's come with a wealth of history. It's got a lot of history with this, and we've got the original bill of sale from Ferrari. Originally Rosso Charo, red with crema inside, which as it was when I ran it for the last sort of 10 years. Now I could go red and crema again, but something's telling me, I saw one of these in Le Mans Blue a few years ago and it looks stunning. So we're going to do it Le Mans Blue and with a slightly darker Sabia inside. So you're now going to see the paint process. We've got cameras rigged up in the oven here so you can see how we do it, and I hope you enjoy it.